Barathi, who is going to be speaking on goodbye emojis. Sanjeev. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. If I could change just one thing in the world today, it would be simple yet incredibly necessary. Goodbye emojis. Yep, you heard me right. No more smileys, thumbs ups, or heart symbols. It's time to give those little yellow faces a vacation. A permanent vacation. I know, emojis are fun. No one's denying that. But we've started to align them a little bit too much, and it's hurting our ability to use real words. Emojis have become a shortcut for communication, and honestly, we're starting to send more faces than actual phrases. We're shrinking our feelings into tiny pictures, losing something important, our ability to truly connect with one another. We live in a time where robots are learning our emotions to become more human. But strangely, we humans are starting to communicate like robots. We replace deep emotions with a single symbol. Emojis can also be confusing. It depends on the day, the sender, and the mood. But words are clear. They carry our deepest thoughts, our dreams, and our fears. Things a small picture could never capture. A heartfelt message sticks with people longer, while emojis don't have that same lasting impact. Avoiding emojis helps kids get better at talking about their feelings. It improves their communication and builds empathy. As Albert Einstein once said, one cannot communicate except by means of words. So, here's the deal. Let's bring back real conversation. If you want to laugh out loud, don't just lol. If you feel like crying, don't just drop a tear emoji. Say it, mean it, and feel it. Let's stop hiding behind these symbols and start sharing real stories. To wrap things up, here's a joke. Why did the emoji have to go to therapy? Because I had way too many issues to express. I bet you're all actually laughing right now, instead of just pretending with the laugh emoji. So, in conclusion, don't exchange your emotions for emojis. Thanks for listening, and have a good day.
Sanjeev, we definitely got some real lulls in this audience today, so thank you for that. Again, I'm just going to give the judges a moment, and then we'll introduce our next speaker. Come up on stage with me and help hand out the certificates today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to announce the winners of third, second, and first place, and then I'm going to have all of our candidates come up to the stage, and we'll be handing out certificates. The prizes for the students who have placed will be distributed in due course, and we'll give you details of that to follow. I just want to start by saying that I was not expecting how hard this was going to be. We thought we were just going to be able to tally up the numbers and see clear winners, and it definitely didn't land that way. So we had a little bit of a debate, but I also want to share with everyone that it was very, very close. All of our competitors did an amazing job today. You should all be really proud of yourselves. Okay, today our third place speaker is Grace. Okay, our second place winner today is Milana. Our first place winner today in the grade 4-5 category is Sanjeev. Okay, I'm going to ask our other 3 speakers to please come up to the stage, and we're going to hand you your certificates of participation. And again, amazing congratulations to all of you. And like I said, we're very, very close. We can all be really proud of yourselves. All right, so this one is for Agna.